Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 16 of DAX functions. We are going to see which is fourth DAX function of top 8 DAX functions in Power BI, which is mathematical and trigonometric DAX functions. So out of top 8 popular function types in Power BI, we have dealt with date and time functions and what are the date time function and different types of functions which is coming under date time functions we have discussed. And the similar way we have done with information functions, and yesterday we have completed the other function of logical functions. If you have missed all this set of videos of 15, we have given the link of the playlist in description box. Please do watch it. And if you're watching our channel for the first time, please do watch and subscribe our channel. After subscribing, please enable all notification button so that you are not going to miss any upcoming videos in our channel. So from today, we are going to see the fourth popular function types in Power BI, which is mathematical and trigonometric functions. In mathematical and trigonometric functions, we have multiple functions available. The first one which we are going to see is ABS, which is absolute value, then A cosine, ceiling, combine, currency, A sin theta, A tan, cos, degrees, and fact, and so on. We have multiple trigonometric and mathematical functions available in Power BI, in which we are going to discuss only the most used top 5 functions in the mathematical and trigonometric functions. In today, we are going to discuss ABS, which is absolute value functions. We are requesting you to watch the video fully so that you can understand the concept better without any knowledge gap in that particular functions. Let's start with the today's video. So you can see here we have created a new Power BI dashboard with the same one. What I'm going to do is I'm creating a card visual, and in which I'm going to, instead of card visual, I'm going to create a table. In that I'm going to give category and the total price of it, okay, so that you can able to see. Just minimizing it, so you can see the total values whichever we have created is visible here. So bars and total price and everything over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new column which is with ABS absolute value. ABS. If you similarly, if you want to know what this function will do, click on this arrow. It says return absolute value of the number, which means which will give the absolute value of the particular value which we are going to select. I'm pressing the tab, and we just need to give the column name for that. So here we have total price. I'm going to close the bracket and hit enter. So we have created the absolute value column here successfully. I'm just dragging it into the table, and you can see almost similar value we have got for the same sheet. There is no changes in the sheet, but absolute value we may get in the particular value. So we have got almost all the values. Moreover, how this function will work is like there will be no negative numbers will be displayed, which means ideally non-negative numbers are displayed in this particular set of absolute formula. Hope you have understood this concept. If you have any queries in this concept, please do post your comments in our comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.